don't think it would be affecting melatonin directly, because melatonin is really going to be most affected by blue light, which is going to, it's the least sensitive to it in the morning. So you need a lot of light in the morning. It's most sensitive to it at night, which unfortunately we get a lot of blue light through screens and things like that. I would guess that if it is going through a circadian system, it's possible that these could be used together potentially. But again, I think either the bright light therapy in the morning, or, making sure you get a lot of dim light at night, or eating at the right time of day. It's all about aligning your clocks. And one of the reasons why we think this would be so helpful, is because one of the big things we see problems with infertility is with shift work. And we know that shift work can lead to infertility issues, because you are having so much circadian disruption, and hormone levels can be so disrupted, and it can be a severe stressor on the body to the point where you aren't able to become pregnant. And so we know that you can stop pregnancies that way. We're trying to figure out if potentially then, if even aligning your clocks through food may be sufficient enough, although it might just be that the light disruption is too big of a disruption to be able to compensate. So I think the jury's out on that still a little bit, but we think that it would help. It's unclear on if it would be enough to help.
Hey, would you like to know how to use food as medicine for your genes? Get access to my free webinar using the link in the video description. I hope you enjoyed the webinar, and if you do, please make sure to comment and share.